going to be going camping today. I don't even know if we're going to get this fifth wheel out for the whole trip.
You only get one shot at life, so gotta live it. We're Chris and Morgan, a British-American couple on a mission to show our kids, Jonah and Jude, that the best things in life happen outside of our comfort zones. We're renovating our fifth wheel Bilbo to become our home on wheels as we hit the road full-time on a quest to explore 50 states in 50 weeks.
Where are we now?
Hi explorers! Greetings from my parents' driveway. Instead of the campground that was paid for and that we were supposed to be at right now.
But at least we're all moved in.
Moving day in the middle of a torrential downpour, but I guess when else are we gonna do it? Oh my gosh, what? It sounds... Is that you guys? Are you spying on me?
A little bit of backstory first. So, Morgan's parents had their driveway resurfaced during the summer. And so we are parked in the grass, or as Morgan calls it,
the swamp.
The swamp now, because it hasn't stopped raining. Actually, it has stopped raining today, which is nice.
For once.
However, we are now in a predicament. I don't even know if we're going to be able to get out of here, but this is the day. This is the day we chose to do it, on a day where it's just raining non-stop. You can hear it.
I want you to lock your hubs in, but I don't want you to put it in 4 low until you back this thing around and get it straight.
Okay.
Because the front wheels are going to turn really hard when you got it in 4 low.
It is! I was trying to get it straight and just go.
You could have come here and then backed up.
It's in 4-wheel low. You want it in 4-wheel high?
Yeah, now I do.
This is not good. This is not good. I don't think we're going to be going camping today. Put it on that hook. Put it on the hook? Hook. Take it off the hook. I gotta get the truck. I don't think we're going camping today.
Because you're stuck?
I will say Morgan's dad is absolutely truck lawn really bad. And it's my fault completely. Thank you. I've been advised to go wash off the car immediately because the tires are covered in dirt.
So, what do you think? We have stays booked. Quite a few of them. Actually, I think our first 6 or 8 is 8.
Mm-hmm. Something like that. I think it's 8.
Oh, stays completely booked. So what should we do? Should we call a tow and just carry on and just go?
My solution is we're gonna grab a bunch of boards.
Yeah.
And we're gonna build a board road out onto the pavement, and I think we can back the RV, the truck up into the RV and drive it away.
I'm really hoping it's not a waste of time because everything again is paid for and we've already lost money in reservations. So what would you do? Let us know. Thanks so much for sticking with us, and we really hope to have a much cheerier update for you next week.
Cheers.
Happy Halloween!
Oh, Judy, are you so excited?
What?
Jude, what's today?
Halloween! I think this is just gonna fill the candy.
Oh my gosh, did she really? Oh no.